Welcome back to BikeVerse. Some legends never die, they evolve. This is the all-new 2026 Toyota 4Runner, and it's forever untamed. From its iconic ruggedness and reliability to cutting-edge technology, performance, and head-turning style, the 4Runner is the ultimate companion for escape, fun, and adventure. Built on Toyota's reinforced body-on-frame TNGA-F high-strength box steel ladder frame the same proven platform as the Land Cruiser and Tacoma. Two powertrains, the iForce 2. 4-litre turbocharged inline-four producing 278 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque, or the iForce Max 2.4-litre turbo hybrid delivering up to 326 horsepower and massive 465 pound-feet of torque. Available in rear-wheel drive, part-time 4WD with electronically controlled 2-speed transfer case, or full-time 4WD with Torsen limited slip center differential. Starting at $41,870, the 2026 4Runner is legendary capability reimagined. Legendary off-road capability. The 2026 4Runner delivers legendary off-road capability with 3 drivetrain options. Rear-wheel drive with automatic limited slip differential for street-focused buyers. Part-time 4WD with electronically controlled 2-speed transfer case 1.00 to 1 high range for normal driving, 2.57 to 1 low range for serious crawling plus active traction control. Full-time 4WD with Torsen limited slip center differential with locking feature providing optimal torque distribution with the security of permanent 4-wheel drive. Available electronically controlled locking rear differential for maximum traction. Multi-terrain select with crawl control and downhill assist control managing throttle, braking, and traction on extreme terrain. Available stabilizer disconnect mechanism unlocking front stabilizer for incredible wheel articulation. TRD Off-Road gets Bilstein monotube shocks. TRD Pro features Fox QS3 adjustable monotube shocks with internal bypass and rear piggyback reservoirs. Trailhunter gets Old Man Emu monotube shocks with end-stop control. Ground clearance from 8.1 inches standard to 10.1 inches on TRD Pro. This is serious capability. Dual powertrain dominance. The 2026 4Runner offers 2 exceptional powertrains. The iForce 2.4-litre turbocharged inline-four, 16-valve DOHC with dual variable valve timing, twin-scroll turbocharger with wastegate valve control and air-cooled intercooler, D, 4ST direct injection, and port injection fuel system delivering 278 horsepower at 6,000 revolutions per minute and 317 pound-feet of torque at just 1,700 revolutions per minute. Aluminum engine block with 11. 0-to-1 compression ratio providing serious power with efficiency up to 22 combined miles per gallon. But here's the game changer. iForce Max hybrid powertrain combining that same 2.4-litre turbo with a parallel hybrid system featuring permanent magnet synchronous motor, a generator producing 48 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of electric torque. Sealed 288-volt nickel-metal hydride battery providing instant electric boost. Total system output: 326 horsepower and massive 465 pound-feet of torque delivering devastating acceleration. Both powertrains paired with 8-speed electronically controlled automatic transmission with sequential shift mode and uphill or downhill shift logic. This is turbocharged efficiency meeting hybrid power. Advanced technology and interior luxury. The 2026 4Runner's interior combines adventure capability with modern luxury. Available 14-inch audio multimedia display massive touchscreen with 14-speaker JBL premium audio system including JBL Flex portable Bluetooth speaker, subwoofer, and amplifier. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. Available 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster with selectable display screens showing fuel economy, driver assist, vehicle information, and warnings. Head-up display projecting critical information onto windshield. Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 standard, pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane tracing assist, dynamic radar cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, road sign assist, and proactive drive assist. Panoramic view monitor with 360-degree overhead view. Multi-terrain monitor with selectable front, side, or rear views. Available premium leather-trimmed heated and ventilated front seats with 8-way power adjustment and 4-way power lumbar. Digital rear-view mirror. Qi wireless charging. 5 USB-C ports. Dual-zone automatic climate control. Seating for up to 7 with available third row. The complete 4Runner package. The 2026 Toyota 4Runner represents the evolution of a 40-year legend. Starting at $41,870 for the SR5, ranging through TRD Sport, TRD Off-Road, limited at $56,500, Platinum at $68,200, TRD Pro, and Trailhunter. 2 powertrains: iForce 2.4-litre turbo with 278 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque, or iForce Max Hybrid with 326 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque. 3 drivetrain options: 2WD, part-time 4WD, or full-time 4WD. Up to 23 combined miles per gallon with the hybrid. Seating for up to 7 passengers. Cargo volume up to 90.2 cubic feet behind front seats. Towing capacity up to 6,000 pounds. 112.2-inch wheelbase. Body-on-frame TNGA-F construction. Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 standard across lineup. Toyota Care included. No-cost maintenance for 2 years per 25,000 miles plus 24-hour roadside assistance. The 2026 Toyota 4Runner. Iconic ruggedness. Cutting-edge technology. Head-turning style. Forever untamed. This is BikeVerse, and this is legendary capability reimagined. Drive legendary.